How to log out of your account on Twitter.com. I will do this tutorial on my mobile device, and that happens to be an Android device, but you can always replicate it on your iOS device as well. Okay, without further ado, here we go. First off, if you want to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Okay, go to your Twitter application on your mobile phone. From your home feed, go to your top left button, aka your profile button, profile picture. Choose settings and privacy. From there, go to your account and account information. You just want to log out, so click the bottommost button with the red font. It's called logout. And if any pops up, just pop up, just click logout. And that's pretty much it. That's how you log out of Twitter on mobile application. As always, if you want to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, take care and goodbye YouTube.